So if you're planning to start a business but you do not know the particular business to start, that is, you don't know the one that is in high demand, the one that will sell, or the one that people will not buy, like you're confused, there are 3 places I will recommend for you to go and get real-time business ideas. So number 2 and number 1 in this recommendation are not just places that you can get only business ideas. These are places that you can also have an insight of what your audience are actually going through. Having an insight on your audience pain points will give you the idea on how to provide a solution to their problem. Number 3 on my list is ChatGPT. If you want a business idea, you can actually rely on ChatGPT to give you good business ideas. Not just business ideas, ChatGPT also gives you a plan on how to start the business if you ask ChatGPT to, and it gives you a lot of things. It gives you how to operate the business, build your structure. ChatGPT will help you in this. So number 2 on my list is Quora. We all know Quora, right? Quora. Quora is a platform, a very big platform where you go to get updates, ask questions and a lot of things. Quora is a good place where you can also get insights on a business idea or even your audience. Do you get? So if you go to Quora and you post a business idea or you ask a question about a business or anything at all, you will definitely get lots of feedbacks on that particular post. So using Quora will give you an opportunity to also have an insight on what your audience are really going through. Do you get? And this will help position your brand on how to solve this problem. Number 1 on the list is TikTok. See, I have never seen any platform, like any social media platform, where the audience or where the users are as truthful as TikTok. TikTok is a place where people say things in black and white. They do not need to cover up, they do not need to pretend, they do not need to make you feel good. They say things the way they are. People come out and tell things about them. So if you want to start a business and you do not know where to get a business idea from, or you do not know if that particular business will actually work or not, go to TikTok, where these things are in the comment section. For instance, if you see a post on parenthood and maybe you're planning to go into a niche that has to do with parenting, to the comment section of that particular post is where you will get every insight, every idea you need about that business. If you're planning to start a business in the relationship niche, check every post on relationship. Go to the comment section. That is where the answer is. If you want to start a business and you're so lost, like you do not know where to get real-time business ideas, or you have an idea already and you want to know more about the business or the audience, TikTok is the answer. TikTok is the best place. I said, if you want to start a business but you do not have any business idea at all, or maybe you even have a business idea but you really want to learn more about the business, these are the 3 best places that you can go to online. It's ChatGPT, number 2 is Quora, and number 1 is TikTok. So guys, that is it for this video. See you in my next video. Bye.